Staffing shortages are impacting many businesses across the country, including the healthcare industry.
Yeah, the lack of healthcare workers is having a ripple effect and creating a barrier for those who need psychiatric help.
10 News reporter Alyssa Ray spoke with legislators about what they're doing to bring more people into the field.
Yeah, guys, the healthcare industry has not been exempt from the Great Resignation as more and more people are leaving the industry. From better wages to safer working conditions, there's a list of things lawmakers are hoping will help recruit and retain more healthcare workers.
The shortage of behavioral health professionals in Virginia is putting a strain on the healthcare system. Delegate Sam Rasool says the pandemic made the situation worse.
We had decades of underfunding in mental health across Virginia and here in the Roanoke Valley. And then that was extremely exacerbated by what happened over the course of COVID. And so now we have a lot of catching up to do.
The thinned workforce is impacting how many patients are admitted and how quickly. Senator Creed says with less people in the business, it puts even more stress on those who are working.
Working in a psychiatric hospital is tough work anyway. You know, there are assaults nearly every single day somewhere in the system, some of them pretty severe, against other patients or against employees.
Lawmakers say the compensation is not as high as it should be, and it's something they're working to improve.
The Virginia State Behavioral Health pay is at the 10th percentile across the country. It's so low. So what we did is increase that to 50%. I was hoping we would get to 75%, but there is going to be somewhat of a boost.
While increased pay and incentives to enter the field are in the works, there's also emphasis on preventative measures.
We need to invest more money in community services so we can keep a robust array of services throughout Virginia and keep people out of crisis and so keep them out of the hospital.
Investments to help the professionals helping others.
Some of the professions under the behavioral health umbrella include psychiatrists, social workers, and counselors. Live in the studio, Alyssa Ray, 10 News, working for you.